Nigerian music star Eedris Abdulkareem made headlines after he used his concert platform to demand the release of social media activist VDM VDM, whose real name is Martins Vincent Otze. During his performance, Eedris paused the music and asked fans to raise their phone lights and chant, "Free VDM." The crowd joined in, loudly showing support for the arrested activist. Eedris told the audience that Nigerians are only asking for basic needs, like affordable rice and data, but the government wants them to stay silent. He criticized how the government reacts more to music than to serious national problems.
If you love VeryDarkman, put on your lights up. Turn up your lights right now, cool. Turn us down, ladies and gentlemen. In the count of 3, I want you all to say, "Free very dark black man." 1, 2, 3. Free VeryDarkman. 1, 2, 3. Free VeryDarkman. 1, 2, 3. Free VeryDarkman. That's so cool. I want you to buy Gary now. I want you to buy rice. That shit expensive. I want you to buy data. That shit expensive. Now one can shut us up, say we will not talk. Who would that be? But come on, do the right thing. Nigerians are not asking for too much. They are asking for basics. Give us life.
It's worth noting that the singer has been in the news recently after his diss track, which speaks against the government and was banned on TV and radio. VeryDarkman had earlier supported Eedris by promising to sponsor a remix of the band song and even appeared in it. Fans had mixed reactions. Some praised Eedris for speaking up. Others warned that if VeryDarkman is guilty, the law must take its course. A few called for more action, like peaceful protests, instead of just social media posts. Many Nigerians are watching closely as more updates about VDM's case come out. While some are still demanding his release, others say justice must be fair, whether he's guilty or not. You can share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates on this developing story.